Wagwan, what's great? Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, welcome and thank you very much for stopping by. My name is Chef Adrian Morris and you're watching Morris Stan Cooking. As seen in the title, today I'll be showing you how to make some PEAR ice cream, aka avocado ice cream. So if that sounds interesting, stick around. After the intro, we get right into it.
We know about sardine, mackerel, chicken neck, chicken back. Nothing I waste, nothing I dash way.
And we are back, as I said before, making some avocado, aka PEAR ice cream. PEAR is something that I like, and I also want to pair that up with some ice cream. Yo! Pun intended. You see me? Yeah, you may say that, man. I love PEAR, and I want to pair that with ice cream, make it some avocado ice cream or PEAR ice cream. You see me? I say, without further delay, I'm looking over there because my ingredients are right there. Let's jump right into the ingredients. No long talking. Alright, so the first thing I have here is 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract and 1/4 teaspoon of salt. I was already pouring out the ingredients. I'm like, okay, let me get this recipe done and record it. So 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, 1/4 teaspoon, of salt. We have that in our blender, and we have here 2 avocado. In some videos, sometimes I like to use a Jamaican pear, but I cannot find good ones. The ones that I found are very watery, and being watery, it will mess up the ice cream and make it has a lot of shards and stuff like that. So this one is not watery. I went ahead and I removed the seeds. We're just gonna pour those out right into our blender because we need to blend these out nice first, you know. So 12 ounces, give and take, it's about 10 ounces without the skin, right? So these are 12 ounces. Just cut those up. This is a quick and easy recipe, trust me. Nice avocado ice cream. And the thing about avocado ice cream, or even the homemade ice cream, and I did not mention that this is no churn. We're not using an ice cream maker. So ice cream like this, you wake up on a Sunday morning and you say, okay, you want some ice cream for dessert. But the thing is, you want to sweeten it to your liking. So you say, okay, make this from 9 o'clock in the morning with you and the kids, quick and easy. And you just put that in your freezer 4 to 6 hours maximum, because if you keep it any longer, the chances are it's going to become very hard. Because again, this will not be made from any ice cream maker. So you're just whipping this up at home, flavor it to your liking, nothing too sweet. You get me? I say. So scoop out. When we scoop out, we'll be back. 1 can, depending on how sweet you want it. I'm going to go in with the entire can of condensed milk. Make this nice and sweet. And you realize I put the avocado first and the milk at the bottom. The reason being, we put the milk at the top and the avocado first because this is an upside down blender and we need the milk to be here to help blend out everything nicely. Nice and thick. Shake that up. Nice. See what that looks like. Should be nice and creamy green beauty. We have here a 1.5 cups of whipping cream, heavy cream. 35% is the one that I use. Nice. You cannot use milk. You need heavy whipping cream. Close that. Low speed. Just gonna beat until it comes to a nice stiff peak. So medium to low speed, and we're gonna beat that. All right, it's almost there. One thing you don't want to overmix this, because overmixing will break the cream. All right, still need a little bit more mixing. Nice. So now we're going to gradually add our pureed avocado. I want to scoop to make sure there's no traces of just that whipped cream, but we have ice cream. Nice. So here I have a stainless steel bowl. I like to use these because they're a great conductor of the cold, right? So these freeze nicely, as well as the glass containers. I don't like to use the plastic containers. These are the ones that I like to use. Get that nice pillowy ice cream in. Wow. So you get cling wrap. Ensure that you cover that thing nicely. You can eat it like this, soft serve if you're into soft serve ice cream, but 4 to 6 hours in the freezer and you should be good to go. After 4 to 6 hours, I'll show you what it looks like and I'll show you what next I'm going to be using this ice cream to make. So make sure you stay tuned for the next clip, which is going to be 6 hours from now. Check in. All right. Here goes our ice cream. It has been about 6 to 7 hours now. And yeah, the reveal. Ice cream scooper. Oh no. So I'm gonna try the sides because the middle is not fully ready. Ooh, the side is ready though. All right. Beautiful. So this is what I was talking about. Let's go, boy. Let's go. Beautiful. The edges are ready. Beautiful. Creamy. This is it. Beautiful ice cream. All right, one taste and then up. This is listen. Ensure to give this video a thumbs up. This is creamy. The avocado is nice and rich. Whoa, this is creamy. And there you go, how to make avocado, aka PEAR ice cream, here on More Style Cooking. Once again, thank you very much for watching. If you like the video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And if you love my vibe, hit subscribe. Until next time, safe travel for the gravel. And go and big up on yourself. I want to beat this, but it's for a surprise video. Check it out next.